Good morning, everyone. Friends, our life is the sum of all the habits put together. Whatever we are today, whatever the state we are in today, we might be happy, we might be unhappy, that is the result of our habits. Whether we are successful or whether we are not successful in our lives, that is again the result of our habits. Now, habits, how do we form habits? The things that we do repeatedly every day put together, those are called habits. And habits, they shape our personality, they shape our lives. Habits decide the future outcome of our life, the present situation of our life. So habits basically, there are some habits which are really very important for us, they are very much required to make us. And some habits, unfortunately, they break us. Those habits which are not required in the making of us, those habits break us. So, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today's topic is habits that you want to quit. Personally, one habit that I really want to quit is my smartphone addiction. I've noted that more than around 7 to 8 hours daily, I put it on smartphone. It could be anything. It could be all the activities put together. 8 hours daily are gone wasted in smartphone. That is that habit I really dread about myself. That is the habit that I really want to get rid of. My dear friends, now since I've identified which habit I want to get rid of, I've analyzed the steps which are required for the getting rid of this particular habit. Now, number one is I should identify what good things I do on the phone and what bad things I do on the phone. Now, out of 8 hours that I spend on the phone, the complete 8 hours might not be the waste ones. There might be a couple of hours, 2 hours or 3 hours that might be useful ones which are helping me to grow in my life. Like talking to my clients on phone, watching the business videos on the phone, motivational videos on YouTube, communicating on WhatsApp to my clients, business WhatsApp, daily exercise on my phone, music sometimes to unwind myself. Those are the things that are required in the making of me. But there are some things which I do is not at all required, and those are just killing my time. Those things are probably using too much and excessive use of social media on my phone, Facebook, Instagram, non-business WhatsApp, and all the other activities. Those might be not be productive for the growth of my life. So identifying things, keeping a proper sorting out, these things are required and these things are not required, and then utilizing the time judiciously on the phone. That is number one thing I identified that I need to do. Now, second thing is, what I thought was I should replace the time that I waste on the phone with something really productive in my life. I could, if I identified that at night from 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. at night, 2 hours, I'm only on the phone, checking the social media, checking the WhatsApp, checking Instagram. Instead of that, I realized that I should focus on reading some really quality books which will help me develop in my life. I might, in the evening or in the morning, if I'm checking out too much, I'm wasting time on social media. During that time, I realized that I should play with my kids or probably go out with a really good friend and have some really nice and deep conversation along with him. So this could be activities that we could replace with the bad habits. Other thing that I examined or I realized that I could use in order to spend less time on my phone was 30 minutes reminder setup on my phone to stay away from the phone. Yes, reminding myself to stay away from the phone on the phone. That would be a great idea to stay away from this smartphone addiction. Other things could be turning off all the notifications that I receive on my mobile. I immediately yesterday I turned off all the WhatsApp notifications, Facebook notifications, Instagram notifications. All the notifications are off, so they will not dictate when I am going to use them. Instead, I will decide when I'll use them. So this is one of the things I realized that could help me get rid of my this habit. One of the things could be putting the phone on DND mode, that is do not disturb mode. Whenever I don't require or whenever I'm busy with my work, I'll put my phone on the DND mode so that I'll get back to those people who wants to get in touch with me. Other things could be putting the charging station of the phone away from the bed. So when you're charging your phone, you will not go up again and again getting the phone and then checking and again putting it on charging. So that could be one thing. And the last but not the least and very effective thing is always remember your goal in your mind. The higher purpose that you are living in your life for, the main goal of your life, keep that in mind. Whenever you are getting too much distracted on phone, remember that goal. Whether using spending the time on your phone, is it helping you to getting closer towards your goal? If not, try to stay away from the phone addiction. So my dear friends, these are some techniques or tricks I identified how to get rid of my habit that I want to quit. What are yours? You also try to find out which is the habit that you want to get rid of, and then accordingly plan out the list what you should do and what you should not to get rid of those habits. My dear friends, before it's too late, you should get rid of the habits that don't make you or that break you. Good day ahead. Thank you so much.